Let me give my plants a little spritz. Nonnina likes to keep her garden nice and moist. Don't want it to dry up down there. Oh, did you notice anything nice and shiny around my neck? If you follow along and keep the meats coming, you'll get a pearl necklace too. Now on to our meal. We're doing a gluten-free Alfredo sauce over Trader Joe's Hearts of Palm Artichoke Linguine with a side of asparagus. Oh, I'm so excited for this meal. It's a special pasta for healthy cooking. So now we'll move on to our ingredients. We got the nice chicken breast. You know, when we're doing the healthy cooking, we use a lot of chicken. You know, and who doesn't like a good set of breasts? And we got 6 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of freshly minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of gluten-free all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 8 ounces of light cream cheese, Himalayan salt of course, freshly grounded pepper, and 1.5 cups of light cream, 2 tablespoons of Italian olive oil, and our special ingredient, the Hearts of Palm linguine from Trader Joe's. There's only 20 calories per serving. What? I'm going to be able to stay a size 0 and eat pasta. Wow, I'm so excited. So now we'll dice up our chicken and start to prepare that. Slippery. This is going to be such a lovely dish. I'm so excited to eat pasta. Watch the fingers, of course. Dice them up nice and small pieces. Alright, the chicken is ready. We're going to clean our hands first, and then we'll get back to cooking. I'll be right back. Keep them nice and clean. All good. Okay, we'll take our olive oil and 2 tablespoons. That's a 1. That's a 2. And 1 more for love, like always. Ooh, a little extra. Never too much olive oil. We'll turn our pan on. And we'll put our chicken in. And I'll give my hands a little wash again, and then I'll come back and stir this around, and then it'll all cook all around. I'll be back. So the chicken is cooking just nice. We're gonna get the pink salt, and we're gonna salt the chicken. Very nice. And the pepper. That's a perfect. Now while that's cooking, we're gonna prepare our Alfredo sauce. So we got this pan here, and we're gonna add the butter. And we'll turn the stovetop on. Perfect. And then our garlic. This brings all the Italian boys to your yard. Oh, get all that garlic in there. And so we're gonna let this brown for about 30 seconds. And I'll give it a little stir. That's a nice. it's getting nice and brown, the garlic. I love the smell of garlic. So nice. Alright, now we'll put our light cream in. And our gluten-free flour. Nonnina makes everything gluten-free. And our nutmeg. And we're going to whisk this. And you're going to keep whisking and doing it continually so that way nothing gets too lumpy. No lumps in Nonnina's cooking. Keep on. You can dance a little. Put some music on. Have some fun. So we're going to bring this to a simmer before we add our cheese. So I've been whisking away. And now we're going to add the cream cheese, the Parmesan cheese, the salt and the pepper. Okay, now the cream cheese. And the Parmesan. We'll do the salt and the pepper. And the pepper. And now we keep whisking. Get it all nice and mixed in. So while our chicken is finishing and our sauce is cooking on low heat, we're going to prepare the asparagus. So we'll put it on this pan. Spread it out nice. And we'll take that olive oil and we'll drizzle it on top. So nice. And we'll get the salt, the pink salt. And the pepper. And we'll put that in the oven at 350 for about 15 minutes. And let me give this a little whisk. Keep that going. And now we'll put our asparagus in the oven. Bye, little green guys. We'll see you in 15 minutes. Always set your timer so you don't forget. Sometimes Nonnina gets a little forgetful. So our chicken is almost ready. The sauce is all cooked. And we're ready to make our linguine. So we're going to pan fry it for 5 minutes. So we'll add our olive oil. 2 tablespoons. That's a 1, and that's a 2, and we'll do like a little half one. And we'll turn on the stove. And I'm so excited for this linguine. And put it right in there. Look at that. Spread it right out on the pan. And this is going to cook for 5 minutes. Oh, I haven't had pasta in so long. So everything's all cooked. And now it's time for a presentation. We'll take 2 forks and we'll put the linguine on the plate. And we'll add our chicken on top of that. And now look at our Alfredo sauce. We'll drizzle it all over the top. Right on top. And a little bit more. That's a nice. And we take our Parmesan and we grate some right on top. Nice long slivers. This looks so delicious. And now I'll go get my asparagus out of the oven. I put the asparagus on the plate and our dish is ready. And I recommend a fresh glass of Chardonnay with this dish. Ooh, get a little tipsy with that one. Let me taste. It's gonna go lovely with this dish. I'm so happy you joined me today. I hope you enjoyed the show. I love the big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And if you want to watch more Nonnina, ding the bell and the videos will come in your feed. And don't forget, if Nonnina can do it, anyone can do it. Bon appetito!